Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain if you're playing GTA 5 on your Steam Deck and it is laggy, simply you can resolve it. Okay, so for that what you need to do is, so too much laggy, right? So I'm trying to move. No, it's too much lag because we need to set this performance. I mean, we need to increase the FPS. So you need to tap this quick menu. Okay, and a quick menu, right? Go to this performance. So here you need to enable this profile, actually user game profile. You need to enable it. Just enable it. Okay, and increase the frame rate up to 60. I think now it looks good. So going to increase the brightness. So going back. So now the issue is fixed. See? So issue is fixed, friends. So that's it, friends. Now the issue is fixed. Okay. So there is no lag. Simply you need to set this FPS. Okay, increase the FPS limit and then try to play. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback to media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.